Pierce the darkness!
Hi there, I'm Yin, your battle buddy. There's trouble on the front lines. Nice! The left controls movement, and the right controls your attacks. Follow me!
Light casts the darkest shadows.
Cover me! Nice! Solaris deals area damage. Tap to learn it.
Chaos is coming.
Now!
Tatlong tres. It's Q.
Blood! Well done! You've leveled up. Time to learn your second skill. Use skill 2 to slow, then use skill 1 to enhance your basic attacks. Uh-oh, more enemies have appeared. Get ready!
Slain an enemy. Killing spree.
Wow, you're on fire! Not bad. Let's show them who they're messing with.
Blind.
Rampage.
Your skill 3 is now unlocked. Time to real. Your skill 3 can damage and stun enemies from a distance.
An enemy has been slain.
Watch out!
Unstoppable.
These guys just don't give up. Show them who's the boss.
Double kill.
Not bad. I'll have to watch out for you in the future. Defeat the enemies and destroy their towers to claim victory!
Blaze to the sun!
Legendary.
You've got a talent for this.
The brightest light casts the darkest shadows.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Wow, you're on fire!
Legendary. Double kill. Triple kill.
Chaos is coming.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
You're a natural. Destroy the enemy crystal.
Blind belief will leave you blind.
Victory.
Most of the tutorial has been skipped for you.